Hi everyone, giving you a quick look at my pastel portrait of Cheetah, Minnie and Nellie. Bigger than life size these three, and they've been so much fun to work on. As with most of my work now, I'm filming to create tutorials for my Patreon channel. After every piece, I'll document all the colours I've used so I can share each colour I'm using in the tutorial. Pretty useful if you want to learn pastel but are not too sure which colours you'll need. During these narrated tutorials, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, explain my techniques, and give you the know-how to try it yourself. There are also spaces available for individual critiques. So if you're interested in learning to pastel, come and visit me on Patreon/Emma Colbert Art.